Here I am on the roof, right down from the school where I graduated from. Isn't that something? I'm at 221 Air Techs, and this is 221 Air Techs. Actually, I took some pictures right down there at a unit I did not too long ago in the school we was working on. Something else to come right back here and be right near the school on another assignment. As you can see, all these units on top here. This is commercial, and this baby is not coming on properly, so we gotta see what's going on with it. Yeah, all right, right down the street from PCTI. All right. Yes, this is what you call a package deal. Package condenser unit. It has your transformer, your circuit board right there, your transformer here. So it all works in one area. And gotta see if the power is coming in here. Have to check it to see if we're gonna get some power in here. And I gotta put the camera down. I'll be getting back to you.